Dale Bond, and I am the Digital Marketing Director here at ProtoCAM. Well, not here, because I'm at home, but, you know. So I've been with ProtoCAM about 3.5 years now, I think. And I actually started working here because a friend of mine was working with ProtoCAM. He worked at a marketing firm, and ProtoCAM was looking for to fill a permanent position within the company. So he reached out to me because he knew I had a strong marketing background. I've worked at a veterinary clinic as a marketing person. I've also worked in university relations for the university I attended. So I had a strong background in it, and he thought I would be a good fit, and I've been here ever since. So as the digital marketing director, I am doing everything that has to do with marketing. So I am editing the website, I'm writing articles, I'm doing social media, I'm also going out to events and things like that, trade shows. I also organize lots of events at ProtoCAM as well, our open houses and things like that. So I'm doing a little bit of everything. Like I said, it's something different every day. So my job is actually a lot about educating people, and that's something that we're really passionate about here at ProtoCAM. We want our customers to really know what their product they're getting, and for our prospective customers also learn about the products that we offer. So everything I'm doing is always with an aim to educate our customers about our products and services. And every day I'm learning more as well, just because this industry is continuously evolving. If you have a question or if you need some help or assistance with something, we have a lot of experts here in everybody's particular area, and so it just makes sense that people would want to kind of call on each individual and talk to them more about whatever their particular expertise is in. So it's very wonderful to work in an atmosphere like that, where if you have any kind of questions that you need answered, you can just go straight to that person, find out the answer, and not have to really jump through any hoops. One thing I would want our customers to know is that we really try to get our customers what they need at ProtoCAM. We pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop in the sense that we know and have contacts within the industry for every area that you might be at within the additive manufacturing process. So if you're just coming up with a concept, or if you need some design sketched up, if you're already further along the additive manufacturing process, and even if you would like production done, we offer those services, or we can get those services for you, and on top of that, determine precisely which services that your project requires, and we can offer that information to you.